my big thing. Get your oil, they get to like 911. Put their number down, because that's what you do.
But that's also 9/11. Double entendre there. So did you know? Hey, is this important? Oh fuck, it's 9/11 going.
He's just telling me what to do. What's up, outdoor fam? We are almost to our destination. We're headed to Patagonia this weekend just to check out and see how the fishing's doing. Read a couple pages and some info. I guess they're reeling in some flatheads in shallow water, which means the water temperature is moving up and running around 70 degrees. So I think the flathead spawn around 70 degrees, so we're gonna go out there. We're gonna catch us some
Yeah,
bait.
no, that was like every morning when I woke up. Like, so the first.
Sorry about that. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna catch us some bait and see if we can't catch us a big one. Lake record, I think, is 63 pounds for flathead, and the state record for Arizona flathead is 76 pounds, which is the heaviest fish ever caught in Arizona. We're gonna go see if we can beat that. I know they're out there. It's just if will they bite? What's the water temperature? What level are they sitting at? And if we catch us a couple channel rats, might throw them on the grill and cook them up. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, here's that cool little bridge. Overnight fishing?
Overnight fishing?
Yes, sir. Is it 25 or is it 15?
It's 25. Oh, it's 20, bro.
20?
Yeah.
Oh, right off. How's the fishing?
And some guy just caught 6 bass, man. It's pretty cool.
What about the catfish?
They caught like the 32 pounder the other day, man.
Flathead?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Do you know if it's shallow or deep?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm the worst fisherman in the world.
I seen a couple pictures of people caught a couple like 10, 12 pounders off the little dock over there.
Yeah, dude, that's like the best spot, man. Right there, right off the marina.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. There you go, man. Here's your pass.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. All right, we're in, guys. Here we go. Let's go get some baits. Oh, it doesn't look that crowded yet. Ooh. Let's go get some baits. Big old bluest gillis. Man, the last time we were here, we were pulling 1.5 pound bluegills left and right. My buddy, he pulled out a 2 pound and the lake record's 2.3. He almost beat the record for bluegill. It was pretty cool. Oh, it's kind of packed over here. Might have to hit a different spot. We'll see. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. There is one thing I gotta do. Alright, guys. I got the old $30 Shakespeare bait rod out. Got my fish basket. Better go down here and see if there's anybody down here and see if we can't get us a bluegill. Oh, it looks pretty empty. Nice little woodpecker, just maturing out. Alright. Let's see the least amount of resistance. Okay, I don't see no one down here. I don't know how the view is for you with you guys, but this is my first video, so my editing skills probably aren't the best right now, so I'm just gonna come down here and see if I can't catch a couple. No one's here. That's pretty surprising. Alright, we're gonna give this spot probably 10 minutes for the bluegill and biting. I think the temperature right now is like 78 degrees, the water. I'm gonna give it a feel. Let's see right here. Check it out, guys. Just using a little split shot. Going for the bottom, see if they're on bottom. If not, I'll add a bobber. Little baby hook, I don't see that. But I'm gonna give it a couple casts. Good old night crawler. Night crawler. I noticed last time that they really liked it packed on there, so we got an escapee. So we're really gonna pack it up on there. Leave little hooks point exposed. Make sure your lid goes back on so don't fly away. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt right here. Let's see. So I'll let her sit out there for a minute. Oh, it's on bottom.
I'll get you from the back. Okay.
There we go. All right. All right. I'll get back with you guys if we get a hookup.
Bye.
Alright guys, on to the next one.
It's time to do.
How's it going? I like bringing what's in the water and pulling it out.
Oh, okay.
You guys have any luck?
Got a couple. Hey, hold up. Let me show them this.
Show me. I'm down with it.
I caught this guy right where you're gonna fish.
I'm fishing for bait for tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Some bluegill fishing.
Try to get some flatheads.
Yes, sir. I heard they just caught a 32 last night and the night before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where'd they catch it at?
Over right where the marina is.
Oh no.
Yeah, where you guys put your boat at. Oh my goodness, what is he, 5?
Yeah, he's 5.
Holy crap, dude. I didn't know they made him that big here.
Yeah. Well, they ain't trout here.
Yeah, dude.
So they do get.
2 weeks ago, I was slaying trout.
Yeah, they eat trout here, so they get bigger.
That's good to know.
It's also a big lake that is hard to find.
All right, guys. Spot number 3. Been talking to some people, and they're saying the bluegill are moving up shallow. So, what are we gonna do? Keep fishing deep. These dang old split shots keep sliding on me. All right, let's give her a whirl here. 2 weeks ago, I was out here, and right about there, I was catching limits of fucking trout every day. Excuse my language. All right, we're back. I ain't got nothing, no bait, no nothing. I'm hoping here at the dock we get some bait. I usually catch some big bluegill here, but I heard last weekend they caught a couple 15s, 12s, flatties here. But we're here at Patagonia. We're out here fishing. We're having a good time. All right, guys and ladies. Well, I haven't caught no bait. I'm just getting skunked out here. So I just moved my way to the dock. Finally, people are vacating. This is where I usually catch the most of my bluegill. So hopefully I get me a good bluey. Heard of people last weekend, they caught a couple 12, 13 pounders here. Some flatheads, so we'll see. All I need is one bluegill for some cut bait. Go for some channel rats. All right, stay tuned. I'll tune you guys in when I get a bite. Well, unfortunately, I caught a bat. Shit. I just caught a bat. That is crazy. That is super, super crazy. Here, bud, hold on, let me help you. Bud, let me help you. Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'm trying to get you undid. Ow, 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 ow. Dude, I'm trying to help you. This is crazy. I wonder if they have rabies or something. This is crazy. Bud, let go. Let go. Well, if you'd let go, bro. This is nuts. I'm gonna let him go, guys. Well, good morning, outdoor fam. It is 7 o'clock. We're gonna go out and see if we can catch us some bait today. Get on it. We got a long day ahead of us. And big flathead fishing night tonight. So here we go. if the dock's already full. We'll see. It's a little cold this morning, not too crazy. I was talking to some people last night. Nobody caught nothing. I don't know, maybe the pressure changed crazy. I don't know. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, we're out here on the handicap dock. Let's get us a bait out. Good old night crawler. Night crawler, night crawler. I'm gonna stack it up on there today on this little hook. These hooks are small. Handlebars. Oh, the water's warmer. Feels like the water's warmer this morning. It's not too deep out there. Alright. Let the fishing gods be with me. Well, outdoor fam, I took a break. Got me some pork chops cooking. And a beautiful view of the mountains. We're gonna go to the other side of the lake. Doesn't seem like the bluegill are over here on the south side. So, it's our next journey. After I eat this dinner. And Whisker Seeker is now at Walmart. I'm loving it. Hopefully I catch me a channel rat today. Try the Cajun mix. So, this is what I'm rocking for the pork chops. Some gourmet fish seasoning. Of course, I'm going the river certified way. Red hot. Cajun mix. Fish fry. And my bag of seasonings. Alright. I'm gonna eat some food. And then we're gonna walk to the other side of the lake. Well guys, let's pull that out. Not too shabs. She was bedding like right there. I just reeled in and she grabbed it. Probably 2.5. So I'm gonna eat her. We got a fish fry tonight. So I'm sorry I didn't get the recording for you guys of the hook set and everything. I'm new to this. I didn't remember to press the button. Well, weighed in at like 2 pounds, 10 ounces. It was all right. It's gonna be dinner tonight. And you guys are gonna come along for the ride for that dinner. I'm gonna try the Whisker Seeker fish batter, whatever it is. for the first time, so we'll see how that is. Smothered in Frank's Red Hot. So I'm on to my next adventure. See if I can catch some bait now instead of dinner. I'd love to catch me a good bluegill. So stick in there with me, guys. All right, be back. So I caught me some bait. Sorry, I'm bad at this videoing situation. Forget to press the play button. But promise on the next one, I'm gonna let you guys in. So here we go. Ooh. All right, everybody's settling down now and everybody's disappearing. Alright guys, out here by the beach. Throw my 2-ouncer on. I just want to hold the bluegill down. There we go. There we go. This is 65-pound braid with a 55-pound leader. Green. I like the green. And then we got the Whisker Seeker float. Here we go. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna set this bad boy up here. Somewhere right here. All right, there we go. Let's get it. Going for the big boys. This is the Okuma freshwater. Alright, there we go. There we go. I feel him. Let's turn that clicker on. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm probably gonna throw some shrimp ski. Yeah. That's my bait. My bait. Probably throw the spinner out. Let's see. Last night I'll shoot fish with shrimp ski. Alright guys, here we go. Doing that big boy fishing. This is also a Whisker Seeker float. I'm gonna throw that guy out. Probably do some chop bait. Okay, let's add some water. Add some water to these guys. Ooh. So man, the rocks are real. Put some water. There's that. We'll toss this bad boy out. This is where the lake record came out of, right here. So, you will see. I'm gonna throw. Ooh, should I throw that guy out? I'll wait for him. Let's start with some strips. There we go. Well, let's pin her wide, bud. Go to the left with this one. Let's see. See how they go. With some juice. Alright guys, my first bite. He's on. Probably a channel rat. Let me get under this bitch. Oh, sorry, bitch. I need a channel rat. It feels like a channel cat. Yes, sir, channel cat. All right. Oh, he's a perfect eater.
What kind of fish you got?
Channel cat.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's go, Marcus.
There we go. Decent. Watch out for my other line, please.
All right.
I'm gonna cook him up.